What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a case from Antec. They were kind enough to send me it over just to take a quick look at. It is the DF700 Flux Dark League chassis. So this is a mid-tower gaming case. As you can tell by the box, it's not overly large, which is obviously what you want if you're looking for a mid-tower rather than a full tower. You don't want it too chunky, but not too small, not too big. Goldilocks. Yeah. So, should we get it out of the box? I think we should. Big reveal, look at that. I like it. The design on that front. Look at that. You see that? This is the first time I've actually taken a look. You see the design they've put into that front mesh. That's incredible. It's really nice. It's a little different. You don't get that very often. A nice tempered glass side panel there with a built-in PSU shroud. Majority of manufacturers are going that way now, and I think it's just makes sense, doesn't it? Why would you not want a PSU shroud to make things nice and neat? So even on the USB ports and the you know, your IOs for your headset and your microphone, they've got little rubber grommets, rubber covers, fill caps in there to keep them nice and dirt free, nice and tidy. Lovely buttons on the top. But no, first impressions, very good. Lovely, nice little Antec on the front. Yeah, nice. For a reasonably priced mid-tower, I'm safely blown away by the aesthetic. It's very nice. Looks good. Very good. I'm an easily pleased man, I suppose. Show me a case. I like it. On the box it says additional features, USB DOS plug. That has already impressed me. And you've also got your little magnetic mesh for the top panel there to stop any excess dust getting into the system, which is very nice indeed. So it supports up to 9 120mm fans throughout the case. So 3, 6, 7, maybe a couple at the bottom. Yeah, looking at that. Yeah, so you can put 3 at the front, 3 at the top, 1 at the back, 2 at the bottom. Nice. And the case itself includes 3, 1, 2, 3. Get my fingers right. 3 ARGB fans as standard at the front of the case, so it scares me. Oh, that was much surprisingly easy. So 3 ARGB fans come with the case, which is nice. And again, if you can see the mesh on the front of there, the curvature on that design. It's nice, it's very nice. It actually reminds me a little bit of you know, that in-wing case, the one-off, not custom, one-off. They made a few of them, I don't know how many. That big metal case, all that swirly design. It's a little bit that kind of patterned. You know, it's very artsy, which is nice. It's a good addition. I'm a big fan of that. Ooh. Yeah, so it's a 3-dimensional wave-shaped mesh design. That's what they're going with the name of this front. Pretty wave, yeah. I'll give them that. 4mm tempered glass side panel, as I mentioned, it is a tempered glass side panel. Tinted? Maybe not tinted, but I'll not peel it yet. Don't want to ruin the peel. And actually, a good thing about it, obviously you've got the ARGB fans, it's also got a built-in ARGB controller, which is something I don't think I've ever had in a case actually. Not a case that I've used. It allows up to 6 3-pin ARGB connectors. So that built into the case, that's gleaming, that makes no messing about with controller boxes, expansions, splitters, all your fancy whatevers, it's all built into the case. Pretty gleaming. Okay, so what I'm going to do, just quickly take off this side panel, loosen them rear thumb screws, that slides off the back, gently place it down there. Okay, so reverse fan installation. Where's my knife? Where's my knife? This boxing. Rear fan installation. Oh, no, reverse fan installation is what that's saying. So I think this is a fan for the lower side. So you can just slot that on the bottom there. We recommend the first fan position for the best GPU airflow as figure. So yeah, nice little GPU airflow fan there for the lower of the case. You can put 2 on the bottom, it includes an extra 1. So in total you've got 5 fans included with the case, which is quite a nice amount. Again, thumb screws, loosened, gently placed. Ooh, more magnetic mesh at the bottom. So here you have your ARGB controller, RGB, plus your fans. So you've got your 6 points contact for your ARGB, and you've also got 6 fans slots there as well for your power. So that's pretty nice. So not only is it ARGB, you've also got fan power on there as well. So you can just connect them all up there rather than having them going everywhere else onto your motherboard. You've also got 2 SSD bays there, nice little add-ons at the back, and a 3.5-inch, hard drive bay at the bottom. Nice. This mesh, I've managed to. How did I do that? I don't know. Where did it come from? I have no idea where I got that from. Oh, is it off the inside of this? Ah, it's off the inside of the panel. That's quite nice. So, just there, look. Yeah, very lovely. And you also get your cable management Antec Velcro. Awesome. Yeah, that's pretty great. Very brief little unboxing slash review, just a quick talk about it really, just so I can get the feel for the case, and hopefully then you can, should you be purchasing it after this video. You know, I'm 6'1", I'm on my knees at the minute obviously, I'm not, it's not the biggest case in the world. But you know, you can maybe measure the size a little bit, and there's a vase, just there, can you see that? I don't know. You know, it's a very ample size mid-tower. It's not, I just keep talking about Goldilocks. Great size mid-tower. Check the specs below. But yeah, I love the design. For the price of the case, I think it's a worthy buy, especially with the features such as the ARGB controller plus the included ARGB fans. You don't often get them in well-priced cases anyway. You know, I think it's aluminium throughout with plastic, for example here. It's good, it's nice and light, not overly heavy. Plenty of features packed in there, lots of room for airflow, and plenty of space for storage as well. I like it a lot, and I really like the little addition of the dust covers for the USB ports and the mic and headphones. That's something I've not seen to date, which is good. I'll put the links below so you can see it on Antec's website. I'll stick the Amazon link in there should you want to go and buy it through my link. Yeah, check it out, let me know what you think, drop me a comment, drop me a like, make sure you subscribe. I've got more things coming up which hopefully you will enjoy. Other than that, you know, I'll roll some pretty little pictures or shots next, and then that'll be it. I shall see you maybe in the next one. Thank you.